Hey guys, you might have thought in your life whether you have to take some steps before you start a business or a new venture or something new in your life. Then definitely you are one of those people who are always thinking and trying to do something new, but always stuck in a method or a phenomena called analysis paralysis. Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today I'm going to answer this question in this video. My only recommendation will be you can learn and earn or become famous or whatever you want by executing it. By having simple ideas or thoughts not going to help you a lot. In spite of that, there are steps you should definitely take before you start doing any new things, new business or startup. Starting with validating your ideas, whether your idea is worth or not. In my opinion, every idea is worth if you execute it well. Is not about having a mind-blowing idea rather than doing things differently rather than doing different things. That's the fundamental difference which people always fail to recognize. You can still start a simple restaurant and run differently and become famous rather than innovating a new dish and thinking that you become famous, something like that. So validate your ideas with your audience research and things like that. Talk to your potential customers. That can be a very good start. Then you have to have a basic idea of your business model, whether you are going to charge per, let's say you have a product per piece or per case, things like that. If you have a service, whether you are going to charge subscription or you're going to charge one time fee. So you should have some basic ideas what you want to do. Definitely is going to evolve as you grow, as you think through, but definitely put one specific idea which you want to run for yourself. Then you have to register your business, obviously, for legal perspective, making it more legit and things like that. That is required in some of the business areas like healthcare and food and other things. For generic consulting and other areas like general mercantile, you don't have to do in US. You can use your social security, but I will still recommend to have a legal business structure around whatever you want to do. Then you have to definitely sort out your finances, whether you are going to bootstrap, whether you are going to have some funding. I will recommend to have some bootstrap business as you start, even if you start slow and small, because you have financial constraint. That should be fine, rather than trying to do big bang and become liable for other people's money. That's my view. Also, you have to build your online presence. That is probably one of the biggest assets you can build for yourself. Everything will evolve around personal branding these days. So even if you are a CEO of Tesla, for example, Elon Musk, if you have seen, he has put a lot of emphasis on his own personal branding. So whether you are a big corporation or small business, putting a personal branding in the forefront of your business will be definitely going to help. Build a website, maybe basic will be fine. If you have, if you want to create social media pages, I will recommend to create on all platforms so that you can capture your brand name and own those are digital assets you can sell after 10 years or 15 years if you want to run for a longer time. Also put a plan for engaging with audience. If you don't have content, don't worry about it. Most people will get concerned about if they don't have a content what to create. Simple way to start is start engaging with people's content on the websites. So let's say you are trying to build a business in software industry, start engaging with people online who are posting on software content, AI, machine learning, and that's how you keep engaging with the audience. And within three to 4 months you will have content to post yourself. I can definitely vouch for that. You can also, you have to set up your operations. If you're a product based business, then you have to supplier partners, shipping, logistics, and all those things. If you have a services based business, how you are partnering with product vendors, how you are going to hire, how you are going to have contractor and things like that. Those are the most important factors in setting up your operations. And then lastly, you have to learn how to sell. If you think that you cannot sell your product or services, then nobody is going to buy it. Thinking that you will hire somebody to sell initially is not going to work out very well unless the person who is selling is your business partner or something like that. So my recommendation is to have good communication skill, develop some skills which are empathetic, emotional intelligence, and then obviously combine all those with your selling skills. That might help you to kickstart your business ideas or a new venture. So these are the points I wanted to cover. You definitely have to take some steps, but most important thing which I have learned in my life, you have to execute fast as you can. The more you delay your execution plans, more you are going to delay your results which you are looking for, whether it is money, recognition, or anything else which you want in your life. Hope this helps, and please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment if you have any question or you think that any of my points doesn't make sense, and I will definitely want to explore those with you. So thank you very much, and see you in next video. Thanks. Bye.